Hey there, food lovers! Picture this: perfectly golden fried rice with crisp edges, loaded with vibrant veggies and fluffy eggs, all sizzling in one pan for an irresistible crunch that will make your mouth water instantly. Today, we're making the best one-pan fried rice that's quick, easy, and way better than takeout, perfect for busy weeknights when you crave something comforting and impressive. This recipe is special because it comes together in just 15 minutes with minimal cleanup, using simple ingredients to create layers of smoky, savory flavors that'll wow your family. You'll need exactly 2 cups of cooked jasmine rice, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of mixed vegetables like diced carrots, peas, and bell peppers, 1 small onion diced, 2 garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Let's get started. It's going to be a flavor explosion. First, let's prep our ingredients to make cooking a breeze. Dice the onion into small, even pieces for that sweet, aromatic base, and mince the garlic cloves until they're finely chopped, releasing their fresh, pungent aroma. Chop the mixed vegetables like carrots and bell peppers into bite-sized bits, ensuring they're uniform so they cook quickly and evenly, adding a satisfying crunch. In a small bowl, beat the 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt until they're smooth and frothy, ready to transform into fluffy curds. Measure out the 2 cups of cooked jasmine rice, making sure it's day-old for the best texture. It'll get that perfect crispy edge. While you're at it, have your 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil measured out nearby for seamless transitions. Heat your pan over medium-high heat, about 375 degrees or 190 degrees EC, and add the 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Wait for it to shimmer and start smoking slightly, which takes about 1 minute, so you know it's hot enough for that essential sear. Toss in the diced onion and minced garlic, stirring constantly for 2-3 minutes until the garlic turns golden and fragrant, filling your kitchen with an irresistible savory scent. Add the mixed vegetables next, sautéing them for another 2 minutes until they soften slightly but still retain a crisp bite. Listen for that gentle sizzle and watch for the vibrant colors to brighten. Now, pour in the beaten eggs, scrambling them gently for 1 minute until they form soft, fluffy curds that mix beautifully with the veggies. Keep the heat steady to avoid burning, aiming for even cooking. While the eggs are setting, add the 2 cups of cooked rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula for even distribution. Stir everything together over medium heat for about 3 minutes to build those layers of flavor. Pour in the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, mixing it in thoroughly so the rice absorbs the salty umami goodness and starts to turn a beautiful golden hue. For a pro tip, if you like it extra crispy, press the rice down with your spatula and let it sit for 30 seconds before stirring again. This creates those addictive crunchy bits. Keep stirring occasionally for another 2 minutes until the rice is heated through and everything is well combined, with the veggies releasing their natural sweetness. Now for the best part, taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Once everything is perfectly cooked, remove the pan from the heat and give it a final toss to ensure all flavors meld together. The rice should be glossy, with crispy edges and tender veggies throughout. Garnish with a sprinkle of chopped green onions or sesame seeds for a fresh, nutty finish that adds visual pop and extra aroma. Plate it up in a wide bowl to show off the golden colors and inviting steam rising from the dish, making it look as delicious as it smells. The textures are a dream. Crispy rice contrasting with soft eggs and crunchy veggies, all coated in that savory sauce. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Your one-pan fried rice is ready to serve. Take a big bite and savor the explosion of flavors. The rice is wonderfully crispy on the outside, yet fluffy inside, with the eggs adding a creamy richness that balances the fresh, slightly sweet veggies. Layers of garlic and soy sauce create a deep, umami-packed taste that's comforting and addictive, making this dish feel indulgent without the effort. For sides, pair it with a simple salad or some grilled protein to make it a full meal. And if you're feeling creative, try variations like adding shrimp or swapping veggies for what's in your fridge. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Just reheat in a pan to recapture that crispiness. This recipe is special because it's versatile, quick, and always hits the spot for busy families. I can't wait for you to try this one-pan fried rice and share your results in the comments below. Let me know how crispy yours turned out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes every day and stay tuned for tomorrow's video on a mouth-watering stir-fry hack.